The power of music. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a girl named Mia. She loved music more than anything else in the world. Every morning, she would wake up to the sound of birds singing outside her window. Inspired by their cheerful tunes, she would grab her old guitar and play along. Mia dreamed of becoming a famous musician, but her village was quiet, and there were not many opportunities. One day, she heard about a music competition in the nearby town. Excited, she decided to participate. She practiced every day, pouring her heart into each song. On the day of the competition, Mia felt nervous. The town was filled with people, and she saw many talented musicians. When it was her turn to perform, she took a deep breath and stepped onto the stage. As she played her guitar and sang her favorite song, all her fears disappeared. The music flowed through her, and she felt connected to everyone in the audience. After her performance, the crowd erupted in applause. Mia smiled widely, feeling a rush of happiness. Although she didn't win the competition, she gained something more important: confidence. From that day on, she continued to share her music with her village and beyond. Mia learned that music has the power to bring people together and express emotions. She realized that it didn't matter if she was famous. What mattered was the joy her music brought to herself and others. And so, she played on, spreading happiness through her melodies.